So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use a connector rail drilling jig to install a end cap, connector rail end cap in a connector rail bend to the end of a dowel, timber dowel handrail. So these are the stainless steel components to the end of a timber dowel handrail. In this video it will be a 40mm option. We do also offer a 50mm option. So when you order your connector rail handrail system, you will receive in your order, if you order the whole system, you'll receive a connector rail drilling jig, which comes in 3 components. Unscrew this. Sorry, 4 components. So it'll be that piece, a drill piece, and then also a little piece inside here, like a flipped piece that is pretty hard to get out unless you bash it. So you've got to give it a bit of a bash against a piece of timber, and it pops out like so. And then you also will receive obviously your connector pieces, which is an end cap, which will come with an Allen key. That's your little 40mm end cap in a plastic bag. And then you'll also receive, if you order bends with your order, so some people just order end caps and other people just order bends, or you can have both. This is a 90-degree bend to go around your corners or turn into walls, and that will come with an Allen key as well. And then also little joining pieces, lag screws. So these are for connecting the connector rail or the stainless steel components to the end of the timber handrail. Alright, so we've got the connector rail drilling jig here. We've got a piece of dowel rail. This is just a sample piece, obviously. It's only a short length. Push that, place that into the end of your connector rail jig, and then tighten it up like so. Once it's nice and tight, you can just clamp it to a table or that sort of whatever you've got in place, like a workbench, like so. Once that's clamped, you've got your drill with the 1/2-inch drill piece in it, and then you start drilling in. There's a piece in the end of the jig that locates your drill piece, drill bit, and then you just hold the components together, and then you start drilling in. So it's recommended to drill at least about 30 to 40mm into the end of the handrail, and then once you've done that, you can pull it out of the jig. Okay, so once you've drilled the end of the handrail, you can loosen the jig and then pull the handrail out. So in this case, we've got a pre-coated handrail which we've drilled the location hole for the lag screw into the end of the piece of timber. Now we have to wind the lag screw into the end of the handrail where we've just drilled, that location point. And a quick and easy way to do that is to fix a little piece into the end of your drill, and then just locate it in the end of the lag screw, and then wind it in. Like so, and that gives you a nice tight finish right in the centre of your handrail, 40mm handrail. Next is we grab the either the bend or the end cap, and we locate it over the end of that lag screw, and then we get the Allen key that is supplied with the connector rail, the bend, and it's a little Allen key which you can tighten it to the lag screw inside that bend. So you just wind it in until it tightens off. It's nice and tight now, and then just tighten it right off. That gives you a nice tight bend at the end of your handrail. To give it extra strength, we do recommend to run a piece of glue in between where the timber and the stainless steel. We do supply a 2-pack epoxy with it. That comes with a kit, with the whole kit. Alright, so I'm going to undo the bend off the end of the lag screw, and by putting the location of the Allen key in there and undoing it, and then you can slip it off, and then you can either install a end cap onto the same point as well, a 40mm end cap. So these are two different options you can use with this system. And again, that's got like a little grub screw in there to tighten it to the lag screw. So you can just tighten it like so. Grub screw is tightened off now. That gives you a nice, tight, clean finish at the end of your handrail. So in this video, we've used a pre-coated 40mm dowel handrail with the stainless steel components. Thanks for watching.